There is so many ways that you can hydrate your hair during the winter, and one of them is by making a hydrating hair mask. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you an amazing mask that will bring shine, a lot of hydration. And so all you're going to need is 2 tablespoons of cooked rice and 4 tablespoons of roses water, 1 teaspoon of glycerine. And now I'm going to blend this mixture, and after that I'm going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of a mask. I'm using this one, but you can use whichever you prefer. And the method that I'm using to apply this mask today is called squish to condish. You basically apply the mask while there's still a little bit of water in your hair, and then you squish your hair gently, just like this. And this method really forces hydration to go under the cuticles of your hair and make it more hydrated. And here's the result after making this mask. Rice is such an amazing ingredient to put in a mask. Together with the roses water and the glycerine, it will really make your hair more hydrated, and then adding the extra mask will help the mask get more delivered into the hair and get absorbed. Every time I make masks that contain rice, I always end up with lumps, so I would love to know if you have any tips how to make the rice more smooth. I really hope that you enjoyed this mask. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!